I created this video a little while ago on how to create the VHS effect, but recently I found a way that's even easier and it's completely free, like even the software. First I had to download CapCut, but once that was done, I just dropped a clip that was shot on my iPhone down on the timeline. I started by going up here to Effects and scroll down here to the Retro area, and then I'll go ahead and drag low quality onto the timeline. I'm also gonna grab Retro DV1 and DV4. Go ahead and add Noise 1. And then I'm gonna scroll back up here under Lens and add Chromatic Aberration. Then I just rearrange the effects in the order that I wanted them. Now at this point, the effect probably looks terrible, but we're gonna go in and fine tune some settings. So the first thing I did was click on Retro DV4 on the timeline, and that opened up over here in the effects window. And then I just brought this blur way down. I also did this for low quality. And the same thing for Retro DV1. Then I click back on low quality. Then I just brought the sharpness down a little bit as well. Then I click back over here on Retro DV4.
And this filters option, I just
Brought way down to kind of bring some of those blacks back into the image. And I did the same thing for Retro DV1 as well. You can also bring the sharpness down a little bit on Retro DV1 if you like. Now that looks pretty good, but the chromatic aberration actually is looking a little unrealistic to me. So I'm just gonna click on that effect and I'm gonna just adjust this just a little bit till I have something that looks a little more realistic. And really quick, I'm gonna go back to Retro DV1 and add in some more sharpness. Now, just so you can see this works on more than one clip, I'm gonna throw a stock video in so you can see what that looks like as well. So I'll just drop this down on the timeline and then extend all of these out across the new clip. And that looks pretty good. I definitely recommend going in and making some changes to certain parts of the effect for specific clips if you need to, but this is as close as I could get to a one size fits all. Lately, I've been finding a lot of these free Easter egg effects that are out there. So if you want to learn even more of those that I've found, check out this video right here and I'll see you there.